What is Snapchat friend limit? Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on what is Snapchat friend limit. So to get started, first of all go to Snapchat support. Now here as you can see on number 3 and number 4 is you have too many friends limit on how many friends that you can add per day or in total. Once you reach the limit, you will no longer be able to add friends on Snapchat. And the fourth one is that you added too many friends too quickly. Now go over to your Chrome or Google site and search for Snapchat friend limit. Now as you can see in the screen that you can only add up to 6,000 friends at a time. That is the Snapchat friend limit. Now scroll down a little bit and there are limitations in how many friends that you can add per day, and you can see about 100 to 130 friends you can add in a day. Once you have reached the limit of adding 100 to 130 friends, you'll have to wait for another day to add new friends. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.